Workforce at Hornsby and Sons of Grantham. Produced in the year 1900 by Sagar Mitchell and James Kenyon. One of the many documentaries produced by Mitchell and Kenyon filming the departure of workers from factories. This was filmed at the Agricultural Equipment and Mobile Steam Engine Factory Hornsby and Sons in Grantham, Great Britain. The only known copy of this film still preserved is kept exclusively by the British Film Institute, which shows it freely only in Great Britain through its player. However, free showing for all other countries on Earth and access via VPN are prohibited by the BFI.